guys, welcome back to my channel. Good to have you back. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make oregano oil. Here I'll be using fresh oregano. You can use the dried one if that's what you have. Okay, so here is a bunch of fresh oregano which I'll be using. First of all, we are going to start by detaching the leaves from the stem. Okay, I'm going to keep that aside. Okay, so I'm done picking the leaves. Okay, I'm going to clean the leaves by rinsing it a few times because there's sand. Okay. I'm done washing the leaves, so I'm just going to drain it a little bit. Let's say for a minute, just for the water to reduce from the leaf. Now we are going to reduce the leaf. You can either bring this into a mortar and pound it a little bit, or just chop it with a knife. This is to allow the leaf absorb the oil in it. Okay, so I'm done chopping the leaves. Now we are going to bring this into a sterilized jar. Any glass jar will do with a lid. Okay, so once I'm done placing this in a jar, I'm going to add in olive oil just to cover the leaf. You can use almond oil, grapeseed oil, or any oil of your choice. Okay, so I think this is enough. Okay, so I'm just going to close this. So you are going to make sure you shake the bottle a little bit, or you can just stir it to incorporate everything. Next, I'm going to place a pot of water on it and bring to a boil. Once the water starts to boil, I'm going to just turn off the heat. Now I'm going to place the bottle containing the oregano into the water. This process heats up the oil and allows the oregano to release its natural oil. So we are going to leave it in the hot water for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes I'm going to remove this from the hot water. I'm just going to give it a little shake. I'm going to place this in a shade away from sunlight. Okay, I'm going to be shaking this alternate day to allow the oregano to infuse into the oil. Okay, so after leaving the oil for 2 weeks, this is what it looks like, and I've been shaking this after 2 days. Okay, so now I'm just going to give this a strain. Just go ahead and strain the oil. I'm placing a cheesecloth over a strainer, so whatever tool or material you're using to strain the oil, just make sure it's sterilized so you'll be on a safer side. I'm just going to use my hand to squeeze this to make sure I remove every bit of oil from the material. You now have your oregano oil ready. I'm going to be transferring this into a storage jar. We have this dark greenish oil here, which is our oregano oil. I'll just go ahead and pass this through the funnel into a storage jar. Make sure the jar you are going to be storing this is sterilized first. Keep it in mind that this is an infusion and not an essential oil. Essential oil can't be used directly on the skin. without a carrier oil. You can try making your own oregano oil at home using these simple tips. I hope you love this video, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Heal and also share this with your friends. Have a nice time. Bye.